What is up, YouTube? I'm Tom from Tech Time, and here at Tech Time, I bring you all your tech all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with my weekly content. So guys, I haven't actually been consistently doing things on a weekly basis right now. There's been a lot of stuff going on in my private life, and we'll keep that private at this time. But I do have a video today from the company Nimbus 9. They did send out their Cirrus 2 cases for the Galaxy S10e, and they also sent their car mount kit. So this is a great combination. I love Nimbus 9 cases. They're really good, top quality. The buttons are unbelievable. The RealSense buttons, just really, really nice. And for the Galaxy S10e, glass and glass design, like most phones in this day and age. So you're gonna wanna put some type of protection on it. If you're into cases, these are going to be a great option. I always rock a case just for the simple fact that, I spend a lot of money on these phones. I don't want to smash them if they fall. I work outside. I live an active life, bouncing around, going here, going there. And these phones are slippery. By itself, it's a pretty slippery phone. Even though this is smaller and it feels, fairly easy to hold, it is still slippery. So you're going to want to have some type of protection. The Nimbus 9 company themselves, they do some really good things, and it's called Hero's Heart. For every purchase of a Nimbus 9 product, a meal is donated to an orphan in need. So that's a really good thing. They're giving back, and orphans in this world right now is a huge problem. There's a lot of kids that aren't eating and things like that, and for some company like this who doesn't have to give back, but they decide to give an orphan a meal for every case that's purchased. To me, that seems pretty cool. So let's get into the cases and take a look at what we got here. These are the Cirrus 2, and I have 4 colors. I have the black, which they call just black. I have the crimson, which is red. I have, which is rose gold. And then I also have midnight blue. So you have some combinations here that are going to look really sleek on this phone. I do wish Nimbus 9 maybe offered some colors that were representative of what these S10e comes in, but it's hard to really manufacture different colors for every single phone that's out there. So these are really good color choices. I love the buttons on these. They're just really incredible. They come with a lifetime warranty. They're wireless charging compatible, and they also have a magnetic mount built in that will go hand in hand with the car mount that they sent us over. So let's take a look at the first case. I've been rocking this cases on a bunch of my phones, and I absolutely love it. So let's see how good it is for the S10e. Unboxing, nice little slide out box. Then you have, shows the car mount on the inside that you can use hand in hand. Definitely a good combination, something you're gonna wanna look at. Cirrus 2, that's the magnetic mount inside. And this is a dual layer design. You have a polycarbonate middle area and then a TPU around it with your RealSense buttons over here, which look like an anodized aluminum almost, and they are red with the black. That is sleek. You get the Nimbus 9 branding, very minimal on the back. So let's check for fit and feel. Boom, slaps right in. You do have a raised lip. I have the built-in screen protector that came with the S10e, so it is not too thick. I will be installing the Whitestone Dome. I just haven't got around to doing it right now because, like I said, got some things going on in my private life right now. So when I do install that, the lip won't be as thick, but definitely gives you a good amount of protection for a slim style case. Check the buttons. Volume, minus, perfect. Bixby button. What's the weather today?
It is partly cloudy with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 54 degrees.
Woo! Spring is here, baby. So buttons work good. Now, let's check this. This is the power button and fingerprint sensor, and that's something that case manufacturers have having to kind of figure out because of the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, not on the rear, and this one doesn't have the in-display, so it is a little bit, tricky to come up with a full-facing case like this that is going to also incorporate the power and fingerprint sensor. If just power would be one thing, but fingerprint sensor means you have to get access to be able to put your finger on there. So let's take a look at how that works. So that's a little tricky, the way that they have this designed. to get into the fingerprint sensor, because they have this little lip right here, which I feel like if they went on the back and put the lip on the back side and left this exposed right here, that would probably help with the fingerprint sensor. You know, touching the power button, no problem whatsoever. I also have my fingerprint scanned without this case on. I did it without any type of case on. So maybe I can rescan my fingerprint and put it on after the case is on. So that might be able to, you know, get just the amount of finger that touches the fingerprint sensor, and I might be able to get a better reading. It's something I'll have to check out. But I do wish that was a little bit different. I still haven't been able to figure it out. For me, to be dead honest, I use the Face Unlock. Yes, it's not the most secure, but it's super fast on the Galaxy S10e. So I've been using that anyways. So with that, boom, locked in the phone, no issues. But the fingerprint sensor, that, yeah, could be a problem for you. So right there, you get the headphone jack cutout for the USB Type-C charger, your microphone, and then also your speaker. Up here, you have the cutout for the microphone. Perfectly cut out, no issues. So, nice amount of protection. Now let's check out the car mount quick. Let's see what we got in here. So you get the actual car mount right there, and this is to be able to hook up to a vent mount. This is how I use a magnetic mount, not from Nimbus 9 right now, from a different company, but this one feels really premium, so this could be taken over in my car. And I use the vent mount, it just works perfect for like using GPS, things like that. I always have my phone up, sometimes watching some YouTube videos. I know I shouldn't be doing that, but I do. This right here is a mount that you can put anywhere. You can put it on your dash. It has 3M adhesive, so you can put it anywhere and you'll be able to pull it off. It shouldn't leave any adhesive behind at all. And then you also get a magnetic plate right here, so this plate will connect to this and cause that magnetic connection. Now this would be used for any other type of cases. Nimbus 9 has some other styles of cases that don't have this built in, like their Phantom and things like that, so you could use this in that case. But these right here, the Cirrus, do have the magnetic belt built in. So boom, that's how it goes, just like that. And it's nice. That's a strong connection. Now that's a problem a lot of times, is these magnets aren't that strong and you hit a bump in your car and it will fall off. This one, I can tell instantly, is very, very strong. Now it does sit a little low, so if you were gonna, you know, use your phone in portrait mode, that could be a problem, but wow, that actually is really, really strong. So I don't think you'll have any issues using it in mode like that, landscape mode at all. Boom, nice. So that's your car mount, really nice. Put this in here like so, flip it over, put this back. And now let's take a look at the other colors. We have the crimson, the rose gold, and the midnight blue. So we're not gonna go over all the fit and features. Obviously it's the same exact case. We're just gonna slap it on and show you what the color looks like. So let's get it going. We'll go with the rose gold first. And I love the boxes with these too, because I switch cases, so I love to throw my case back in the box. That's just, you know, something weird I do. So that fingerprint sensor, still an issue. This one's nice. Rose gold, I'm not a big, you know, rose gold guy, but this can definitely work for somebody, or the females out there. This could be a good option for you if you're not into black or the red or the blue. Nice. I really, really enjoy these buttons though. They just, man, they just work so good. So let's move on to the next one. That off to the side. Let's get the crimson. Now this is sleek. Look at that. That is a sleek red with the black outline. All have the mount inside the metal plate. Boom. Look at that. Now that's nice. This is a favorite of mine right here, this color. I really enjoy it. Using it on a couple of my other phones. Definitely nice. So let's get on to the midnight blue, another sleek option. And then we'll check out the wireless charging capabilities. So that's something else that's pretty incredible about this case, is They give you the metal plate inside, and I've seen some other case manufacturers do it where it interferes with the wireless charging. This one, not supposed to interfere at all, and on some of my other phones it never has. We'll check it out on this. So this is the Midnight Blue. That's sleek. It's kind of got like a metallic-y look to it, the black. That's a nice looking case also. So we got my IOTI wireless charging stand. Slap it on, and boom, we'll take it off again. Put it on. Boom. Instantly charging. No issues whatsoever. So this thing does everything it needs to do. Gives you a protection, slim profile, incredible buttons. The RealSense metal buttons. Cutouts are perfectly cut out with no problems. The only slight issue would be this fingerprint sensor, and that's something that we are going to have to, maybe work on. It does have some flex on that area, so I can, reach the power button, no issues. So I'm just thinking if I rescan my fingerprint, that could be something that fixes it. And, most of the time I use Face Unlock anyways. It just works a little bit quicker for me, and that's something that I enjoy. And then you also have the car mount. Killer combination. They also make these Series 2 for a slew of other cases. iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XR, XS. Then they also have it for the S10, the S10 Plus, the Google Pixel 3, XL, and 3. So any of the top flagships that are out nowadays, you can pick up this super sleek Nimbus 9 case. If you're interested, links will be down in the description. If you want to see some more accessories for the S10e and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay up to date when I drop new videos. I have a review coming on the OnePlus 6T. If that's something you're interested in, definitely stay on the lookout for that. And tons more coming on the Galaxy S10e. Until the next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.